What's going on, guys? And today's video and topic is going to be what are the best books anyone should read to get into real estate wholesaling and investing. Now, the books I'm going to mention here, most of this is going to be more personal development and mindset based. To be honest with you, I haven't read, I don't think, any actual books that are geared for real estate investing particular, but actually besides one on multifamily investing. But let's get right into this, guys. Listen, this business is mindset first, right? So it is input equals output. That's going to be the very first thing, guys. So input equals output. So some books that are going to help you in this business, in the real estate wholesaling and investing business, is Think and Grow Rich. That book is an absolute must. It is a staple. It is a foundation of all personal development. If you have not read that book, you need to read Think and Grow Rich. Number 2, The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. Phenomenal book. A lot of his material is going to be great for real estate wholesaling because it's going to take that mindset to deliver the results that you're looking for. You have to be a little aggressive especially in the very beginning with real estate wholesaling. Otherwise, it's going to be a very, very tough business. Book number 3, Sell or Be Sold. Another Grant Cardone book. A phenomenal book. A book that talks about being convicted and basically owning your own beliefs and whatever you're producing, whatever you're selling. It's about being 100% committed, 100% sold on what you are doing, and that will lead to better results. So far we got Think and Grow Rich, we got 10X Rule, we got Sell or Be Sold. Number 4, this is obviously a classic also, it's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You have to read Rich Dad, Poor Dad if you are getting into real estate, investing, wholesaling, whatever it is, flipping, buy and hold rentals, doesn't matter. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a phenomenal book that's gonna give you contrast of 2 different mindsets, 2 different categories, 2 different buckets. They're going to allow you to be able to see how you can transition from one over to the other. And it's a phenomenal. The 5th book and final book for this video is Cashflow Quadrant. Guys, this is another Robert Kiyosaki book, a phenomenal book. This book is going to get a little bit more in depth on the Rich Dad, Poor Dad book. It's going to talk about each bucket, each quadrant, on how each bucket, each quadrant has different values, different trains of thoughts, different viewpoints on business and earning and generating revenue and income, guys. And I would read that right after you read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So guys, listen, I hope you like this content. I hope you like these videos. If you do, please subscribe, like, share, love, show me some love. Give me something, man. Give me some input. Tell me what you think about the videos. My goal is to have 1,000 videos of content by the end of 2020, and wow, I have a long ways to go, so I gotta get to work. All right, guys, like, share, subscribe, show me some love, go out there and crush it.